Hi guys, Benny Molinas here, coming to you from the US, North Carolina. As you can see, this is my account, what I'm about to show you. Let me do a short review on how I made $500 in 1 week. Okay? So, the story about this platform last year when it first launched, I hopped on. I joined it, but I ended up quitting it after 2 weeks because of the issues. The support wasn't so responsive. It takes days in order for you to get in touch with them. So I ended up quitting the platform. But then I knew then that this is a nice platform if they can only fix all those issues they have. And last year, before New Year, I was watching my buddy's video on YouTube, and he was showing the platform that was different from last year when I first started. So I ended up joining January 3rd, and I started promoting this. Okay, and along with the when I joined my good friend Andrew, he gave me trainings, support, and all to just to make sure I make money or create an income doing promoting this platform. Let me show you something here. So when I joined on the 3rd, I did a trial run on the 4th, the following day, and I made me a commission. And then on the 6th, I did it again, 7, 8, 9, 10, all the way to 12. Okay, when it's zeros like that, that means it's a second tier. It has to be the first month goes to the sponsor, whoever he joins. Okay, so the second tier will be mine. It's 30%. But let me show you the calculator on where is this going. Okay, so right here on the calculator, let's calculate what I did, how I made $500 last week. So I signed up 11. Okay, 11 sign up, and only 9 sign up as an affiliate, as a business plan affiliate. So 9 of them, and in fact, one of the guy that signed up for me already made 2 sales. Okay, this is where we're looking at. I already made $500.48, $548.90. And for as long as they stay in the program, I will be making $434.13 every single month. Okay, like I said, I'm going to make this a short review, what helped me hit $500 in 1 week. Okay, so I'm looking for people that wants to join my team, and the support and all the trainings and all that was given to me for free, I'm going to be giving that away too for you. So if you're interested, let me know. Let's talk. Let's connect. I'm going to be leaving the link below. This is my first video for 2019. And I'm willing to help you out create this income or maybe more that, that you can create with this platform. All right. Benny Molinas again. Until next time, I will see you again. Bye-bye, guys.